Good morning, 5th grade. So, as you can see, our topic for this week is weather and climate, and this is going to be what we're talking about both this week and next week. So, first things first, if you want to start out, our schedule for the week is right here. This video is also going to be on here when I post it officially. So, first thing, I have your original schedule that you can look at the same way that we've been doing it for every week so far. But this week, I'm kind of trying it a little bit new to see what people prefer. For this week's assignments, I made it so that you can drag check boxes over to fill in the boxes when you have done each of the different activities. I don't know about you, but it feels gratifying when I'm able to check things off of my checklist that I did them this week. It shows me that I've actually accomplished something, which is kind of hard to do when you're on an online environment, or at least that's what I've been struggling with. So that's just one thing that you guys can do. As you can see, all of the assignments have been laid out here by day of the week. There's not much for you guys to do, but there are quite a few sites. So let's start off with each day. So since we're talking about weather and climate, the first thing I want you guys to do this week is you're going to be tracking the temperature as we go through the week. You're going to do this in the Google Sheets. To get to it, all you need to do is click it. You're going to record what the high temperature for the day is and what the low temperature for the day is. And that's easily found just using the Harrisburg, Pennsylvania current temperature readings. And you can click in and search for it there. At the end of the week, you're going to put the average high and the average low temperatures for Harrisburg in this month, and that again is found right here. Oh gosh, I broke it. That's going to be found right here under the Climate United States data. Pretty simple, and all you're going to do at the end of the week is you're going to comment in a private comment to your teacher with an observation you have about weather in the week versus climate that is over an extended period of time. Okay. First day, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing the Scholastic Study Jams. For the Study Jams, what that's going to look like is you're going to pop onto a website that looks like this. You've got a video that's about 5 minutes, and there's a quick test yourself to make sure that you understand what you learned in the video. And that's the first day. Second day, you're going to do a water cycle reading activity, which is an article from ReadWorks, which is going to be a separate assignment. Then you're going to complete one of the activities that's on either of these two websites. It doesn't matter which one you do, but what we're asking you to do is, if you could, either video what you're doing and share it with us on Google through email or text, or you can, if you don't want to film a video, you can just talk about your activity. Make a Google Slides or make a Google Docs and tell us about what you did, what happened, and why it happened. Day 3 is a game that you're going to play. That all you need to do is click the link, and it should link you directly to the activity. It's teaching you about the roles of water on Earth's surface. Then day 4, there's a water cycle journey activity. What this is going to look like is you are going to need to get either a 6-sided dice, or you can use the roll a die feature on Google, where it will automatically roll a 6-sided die for you. To do this, what you're going to do is you're going to click in, and immediately you're going to click present. You do not need to ask for permission to play this. There's only one copy, and you're not going to be making any changes to it because it's a game. So you click present. Then you're going to go through. You're going to be a drop of water traveling through the water cycle. So you must have at least 8 different die rolls and have changes in location. Write down the changes as you go through. So you're going to pick where you want to start and then click the picture. So for example, if I want to start at the ocean, I would click the ocean and it would start me off right here. Then all I would need to do is go out roll the die. If I got 4, I would click 4, and it would keep me at the ocean. So I would go back, roll the die again. I got a 4, I would stay in the ocean. Wow, this is going to be a boring droplet. Then I would roll it again. I got a 3, so 3, again, puts me in the ocean. 5 puts me in the ocean. Let's say I just rolled a 1. I would go into the clouds. Then I roll a 2. I go to the glacier. And where I would write down this information is under the Water Cycle Journey Google Doc, where each person has their own copy. You need to go down. So my starting location would have been ocean. Then I would do ocean, 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 cloud, glacier. And I would do 2 more rolls after that. After I have all of the different locations that my water drop traveled, what I would do is I would write a story about me being the drop. So my story would definitely talk about rolling through the waves and taste everything around me tasting just a little bit salty, and maybe seeing a whale, a humpback whale, or whatever I wanted to talk about. I want you guys to describe it as if you are that water droplet. Talk about the things that are around you. Talk about what's happening to you. So what would have had to happen for me to go from the ocean to a cloud? And I would talk about that experience. So this is all about creativity. Be as creative as you want to be. I really look forward to hearing your stories. On the last day, you're going to learn about what the difference between weather and climate is by using the NASA website for climate. And you're going to be doing an experiment with icebergs. So you're going to make sure that you share the Google Doc back with us while answering the questions. If you have any questions this week, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are only here to help you. Have a great week, and we look forward to seeing you. Bye!